Next one, arithmetic sequence. If a sequence is said to be arithmetic sequence, common difference of two successive terms must be equal. Observe here, I am taking some terms in the sequence. The terms in the sequence are T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, so on Tn. This sequence is said to be a arithmetic sequence. You have one more term, arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression. Okay, so this sequence is said to be a arithmetic sequence if the difference must be a common between two successive terms. T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2 equal to T4 minus T3 is equal to so on Tn minus Tn minus 1. So these all differences must be a common. Suppose it is denoted by D. The D is called common difference, and this sequence is called arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression. This is arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression. Okay, I am giving you one sequence. Whether it is arithmetic sequence or not, you have to tell me. Is it arithmetic sequence? Yes, it is arithmetic sequence because 14 minus 8 is 6, 20 minus 14 is 6, and 26 minus 26, and 32 minus 26 is 6. So common difference is same. That's why this sequence is called arithmetic sequence. Three terms in a arithmetic sequence are k, 2k plus 3, 3k plus 5. Then find k value. Three terms in the arithmetic sequence are k, 2k plus 3, 3k plus 5. Then find k value. These are the three terms in arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression. Is nothing but their common differences are same. So this is T1, this is T2, this is T3. T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. Observe here, 2k plus 3 minus k is equal to 3k plus 5 minus 2k plus 3. Observe here, 2k minus k is k. K plus 3, you get it here. This side you get it. 3k minus 2k, what did you get? K. 5 minus 3, 2. So what did you get? K plus 3 is equal to k plus 2. Now take the k value. On both sides k be cancelled. You get it 3 equal to 2. Then what is the meaning of it? There is no k value whose three terms are in AP or arithmetic sequence. AP is nothing but a arithmetic progression. So there is no k value. When we are substituting that k in it, the terms are not in AP. So k is a null set. There is no such kind of k. We can't get such kind of k value. These three terms never be in AP. Next, how to find the general term of AP, arithmetic progression or arithmetic sequence. Now we are finding general term of a arithmetic progression. What is meant by general term and what is the purpose of general term? With the help of general term, we can find specific term in the sequence, whether it is 100th term or 1000th term or 998th term. Any term we can find out it. So here n is a natural number only because n is the input. Definition only we have given a function whose domain is natural numbers. Here general term we are denoting by Tn. Nth term is the general term. There n must be a natural number. Okay, how to find the general term? Now we are discussing, you have the terms in a arithmetic sequence t1 comma t2 comma t3 comma t4 so on tn. Suppose you take it. First term generally denoted by a, so that's why I'm taking t1 is equal to a. First term is denoted by a, and every time some difference be added it. So t2 is equal to a plus d, means by adding a common difference definitely will get a next term, and again by add a common difference again you will get it third term, means a plus d plus d. It is the second term. You add a common difference d to the second term, you get it the third term, that is a plus 2d. Like that, fourth term is a plus 3d. Fifth term is a plus 4d. Every time we are adding plus d, it is the common difference. T6 is a plus 5d. Observe here now. This I am expressing as a plus 0d. This I am expressing a plus 0 is nothing but a 1 minus 1d. This is 2 minus 1d. This I expressed a plus 3 minus 1 into d. This I expressed a plus 4 minus 1 into d. This we can express a plus 5 minus 1 into d. This we can express a plus 6 minus 1 into d. So on, your nth term is expressed as a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the general term of a arithmetic progression is a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term, d is the common difference, n is the position of the term. Tn is called value in the nth position. So how many unknown quantities are there? Tn is one unknown quantity, a is one unknown quantity, d is one unknown quantity, n is one unknown quantity. You have 4 unknown quantities. So one thing you observe, this nth term I am simplifying. Tn is equal to a plus nd minus d. Just I distributed it. Tn is equal to a minus d plus nd. This a minus d, Tn is equal to this a minus d is a constant, no, because a is the first term is always constant and common difference also constant. This constant I am denoting by capital A. Plus here n is the variable, because here n value changes, here also definitely change. D is the common difference, that is also constant. So what did you get here? The term Tn is in the form of a plus nd. It is a linear expression. Okay. It is the linear expression in n. Okay. The general term of a AP is in a linear expression. So the general term of a sequence is a linear expression. That sequence is a arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression. Take any sequence, whether it is which sequence you don't know. A sequence ki name ento mana teladu. కానీ ఆ సీక్వెన్స్లో nth టర్మ్ కానీ లీనియర్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్లో ఉంది అంటే కన్ఫర్మ్గా అర్థమెటిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్ అయితే, నో డౌట్ ఇన్ ఇట్. సో సపోజ్ ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ యూ వన్ టర్మ్ an ఈక్వల్ టు tx ఈక్వల్ టు a ప్లస్ bx. In place of n I took x. Tx is equal to a plus bx. Then the terms of the sequence t1, t2, t3 so on tn, and its general term tx is equal to a plus bx, then definitely this sequence is called. Why it is arithmetic sequence? Because it is in a linear expression in x. So that's why it is a arithmetic sequence. It is a wonderful point, powerful point. Keep a 5-star marks. Definitely it asks you one more star, you have to keep it, no problem in it. ఏమంటది, ఇంకొక స్టార్ మార్క్ నాకు పెట్టండి మీకు బాగా యూజ్ అవుతుంది అంటది. అంత పవర్ఫుల్ పాయింట్, దట్ పాయింట్ ఈస్. Observe the problem. If Tn is equal to 23n plus 5, where n belongs to n, then name the sequence, find the common difference of the sequence, 5th and 100th terms in the sequence, which term is 235. So, very logic question, no? Name the sequence అన్నాం, ఇంకా సీక్వెన్స్ నేమ్ చెప్పకుండానే ఫైండ్ ద కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్ అన్నాం. అంటే ఏమవుతుంది, కన్ఫర్మ్గా అర్థమెటిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్ అవుతుంది. బట్ యూ మస్ట్ ప్రూవ్ ఇట్. సాల్వ్ దిస్ ప్రాబ్లం. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ నేమ్ ద సీక్వెన్స్ is nothing but a, whether it is arithmetic progression or geometric progression or harmonic progression or arithmetico-geometric progression. So there are several kinds of progressions are there. We are discussing now arithmetic progression, whether it is AP or not. Observe, it is a linear expression in n. So every linear expression is arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression. If the general term of the sequence is linear expression, then definitely it is a arithmetic progression. So first one answer is AP, arithmetic progression. Second one is common difference. How to find the common difference? It is the difference between two successive terms. So that's why you first find out T1 value. T1 is nothing but a n value 1. 23 into 1 plus 5 is equal to 28. T2, 23 into 2 plus 5. So 46 plus 5, 51. T3, 23 into 3 plus 5. What is it? 69 plus 5, 74. Observe here, 51 minus 28 is how much? 23. And 74 minus 51 is also 23. So common difference is same. So that's why definitely it is in AP. Observe like this. Suppose you don't know whether linear expression or not. మీకు లీనియర్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ అవునా కాదు తెలియకపోతే ఇలా టర్మ్స్ తీసేసుకొని ఏం చేస్తే చాలు, డిఫరెన్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసినా చాలు. సో సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ యువర్ కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్ D is equal to 23. Second question also over. So fifth term is nothing but a T5. Here directly has given nth term. Happy. Observe, 23 into 5 plus 5. Yes, your answer is 120. T100 equal to 2300 plus 5. So what we'll get? 2305. It is the 100th term. Now asking in the sequence which term is 235. ఇందులో ఏ టర్మ్ 235 అవుతుందని అడుగుతున్నాడు. You have a good common sense because by observing only you said 10th term is the 235. 10th term in 10th place 235 value is there.